Ako si Brother Ronilo Roncal Jr., ang incoming Worshipful Master.
Very worshipful sirs, brethren, I am Brother Kimber John Marcaida, Junior Warden.
Ako si Samuel Adaniel Kibete, elected Senior Warden of Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge.
Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge.
Ng Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge, number 333.
Number 333.
Number 333.
Bilang isang Senior Warden, susuportahan ko ang lahat ng programa at proyekto ng ating Worshipful Master.
Join me in giving our full support to our Worshipful Master and all of his endeavors.
Muli, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong suporta at tiwala na ipanagkaloob sa akin upang pangunahan ang ating pinakamamahal na inang Loya.
The officers of Masonic Year 2024 and all the dedicated members of our lodge for their unwavering support and guidance. Serving as the Worshipful Master has been both an honor and a privilege. This journey has been one of growth, learning, and a deeper commitment to the principles of Freemasonry. Also the great light in Masonry, which forever sheds its benignant rays upon every lawful assemblage of free and accepted Masons. Thank you all for your time, trust, and encouragement. I sincerely hope you will continue to extend the same support to my successor as we uphold the timeless tenets of Freemasonry. Again, maraming salamat po.
Mga kapatid, muli tayo magsama-sama para sa ating pinakamamahal na Loya. Mabuhay ang Masonarya, mabuhay ang Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge number 333.
Bukoy ng tatlong mga district ng tatlong malaking buok, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao na inihandog sa ating ng kaligtasan ayon sa pag-uubang ng buong may kapal.
At maging isang halimbawa sa lahat ng mga brethren natin sa Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge number 333.
This of Jose Abad Santos Masonic Lodge number 333 on the occasion of the installation of the elected and appointed members. You promise to respect genuine brethren and to discountenance impostors and all dissenters from the original plan of Masonry. 9. You agree to promote the general good of society, to cultivate the social virtues, and to propagate the knowledge of the art.
Muli mga kapatid, ako'y nakikiusap sa inyo na suportahan po natin ang ating mga aktibidad para sa ikasisigla ng ating loya.
Edicts, laws and regulations of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines,
and will faithfully
to
perform
the best of my abilities,
the
duties of my office, and that of the worshipful Master
and that of the worshipful
in
Master
his absence.
in his absence.
Malaking hamon ito, pero this time hindi ko lang nakuha yung posisyon. Ito yung pinagkaloob sa akin. Dahil ang pagiging worshipful master ay nasa kapalaran kapag pinaghirapan.